Hello everyone. Welcome to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will do some examples for ranking. Let us start with example number 1. In the previous lecture, we discussed that there are 4 types of questions that can be formed in ranking. In today's lecture, we will understand these better with the help of some examples. So, first example states that in a row of boys, A is 15th from the left and B is 4th from the right. So, let's say this is the right, this will be the right, and this will be the left. Correct? Now, it is given to us that A is 15th from the left. So, over here we will have 14 boys, and then we will have A at the 15th position. Correct? B is 4th from the right. So over here we will have 3 boys and then we will have B, which will be at 4th position from the right. Correct? There are 3 boys between A and B. So between A and B we have 3 boys. Okay? It is given to us that C is just left of A. So over here, left of A means C will be over here. C will be at the 14th position. So here up till C, we will have 13 boys. Then we will have C, then we will have A, then we have 3 boys, then we have B, and then after B also we have 3 boys. We have to find out what is C's position from the right. So right means this side. C's position from the right. A's position was 15th from left basically. Correct? And B's positions was 4th from right. So we have to find C's position from right. So this is 14th from left. Correct? We have to find from right. So over here up till B we have 4 boys. Then we have, if I add, okay, I am adding, there are 4 more boys. So 3 plus 1 B, 3 plus 1 A. So up till C, how many boys are there? There are total 8 boys. Correct? So C's position, these many are, this total is basically 8 boys. So C's position will be how much? It will be 9th from the right. Clear? C's position will be 9th from the right. So our correct answer will be option number 1, 9th. Correct? Now, moving on to example number 2. Rohit is 17th from the left. So this will be the left, this will be the right. Correct? Mohit is 17th from the left. So we will have 16 children or whatever. It could be boys, it could be children. And then at 17th position we will have Rohit. So Rohit will be 17th from left. Okay? There are total 29 boys. So in total we have how many boys? In total we have 29 boys. So it is given to us that Rohit is 17th from the left end of a row of 29 boys and Karan is 17th from the right end in the same row. So Karan is from the right. Karan is over here. Karan is 17th from the right. Correct? So up till here we will have 16 boys. So in total if I add 17 and 17 I'll get 34. So this positioning is sort of incorrect because we have a total of 29 boys. So this positioning is incorrect. Now let us look at the other possibility. So if this is my left and this is my right, correct? According to this arrangement, we will have more than 34 boys. But now if I look at this arrangement, there are 29 boys in total, correct? So left from left I say, okay, 16th. Then we have Rohit, let's say over here. And we have Karan, let's say over here. So Rohit, up till this position, we have 17 boys or 16 boys and then we have Rohit. Correct? Let me take a different pen to highlight. And from Karan, up till this point, we have 16 more, correct? And at the 17th position, we have Karan. So both of them are 17th position from the left and from the right, correct? So this makes more sense, correct? This makes more sense to the question. We have to find out how many boys are there in between them. So in total, if I consider this up till here, if I consider the position of Karan, Karan is basically 17th from the right. But from left, what will be the positioning of Karan? So if there are total 29 boys, correct? 29 boys are there in total. So this entire thing is equal to 29. This entire row equals to 29. Let me delete this so to make it more clear. Okay. So this entire row is basically 29. Up till here we have 17th position from the right. From the right I am talking. Okay. This is 17th position from the right. So up till here we have 17th position from the right. So this will be how much? So I will basically subtract 29 and 17. I'll get 12. So this is from here to here there are 12 people. Okay, clear? From here to here we have 12 people. Similarly, if I look over here, there are 17 people up till here. 17th from the left, correct? Rohit is 17th from the left. So if there are total 29 people, this particular section will be how much? This particular section will be of 12 people, correct? So over here I have 12 and over here I have 12 people, correct? Then we have Karan and Rohit. So 12 plus 12 and plus 1 for Karan and Rohit. So this is 24, 25, 26. So 26 people are over here, correct? In between this area, if there are total 29 people and 26 people are already seated, how many will remain? This area will be 29 minus 26, that is 3. So between Karan and Rohit, we will have 3 boys. Clear? Now, moving on to example number 3. N rank 5th in the class. So we don't know how many people are there in the class. We have to find it out. So N rank 5th in the class. So from the top, I am assuming that N's rank is 5th. Okay. So we have 4 people over here. S is 8th from the last. So I am assuming that S is over here and there are 7 people over here and S is 8th from the last. Okay. If T is 6th after N. So after N means there are 5 more people and then we have T which is at the 6th position. 6th position from N. 6th from N. Okay. And just in the middle of N and S. So it is in the middle of N and S. That means between T and S also we have 5 people. Correct? Between T and S also we have 5 people. We have to find out how many students are there in the class. So now when I look at this, how many people will I have? 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7. Correct? 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7 and 3 positions for N, T and S. Plus 3 for N, T and S. So this 7 plus 3 is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is 4. So 10 plus 10 is 20 plus 4 is 24. So in total there are 24 students, which is option number 2. Clear? Now, let us look at example number 4. Rohan ranks 7th from the top. So from the top we have 6 people and then at the 7th position we have Rohan. Correct? Rohan ranks 7th from the top and 26 from the bottom in a class. So 26 means we have 25 students over here and at the 26th position we have Rohan. Correct? So this is basically from top and this is from bottom. Correct? We have to find out how many students are there in the class. So to find the sum of how many students are there, we will basically, up till 7 we have, so we will add 25 and 7 together. We will get 32. So in total there are 32 students in the class. Do you see how close the options are? We have 31, 32, 33, 34. So if you forget to take into account, let's say Rohan, and you add 25 and 6 together, you will get 31. But this will be wrong. So whenever you solve questions for ranking, your options are generally very close to each other. Your options are 29, 28, 27, 26, something like this. So please pay attention and count all the members. Okay? So our answer will be 32 students. Clear? Now let us look at question number 5. Question number 5 says that Manik is 14th from the right end. So this will be the right end and this will be the left end. So whenever we solve such question, we take our right and our left. Correct? So Manik is 14th from the right. So we have 13 students and then we have Manik. Manik is 14th from right. Now, there are total 40 boys. So in total we have 40 boys. So over here, if we have this total area will be 40 boys. In total we have 40 boys. We have to find his position from the left end. So basically if this is 13, this is 14. So I will subtract 40 from 40. I will subtract 14 from 40. So how much will I get? This will become 3, this will become 10, this will be 6 and this will be 26. So over here we have how many people? 26 people are seated over here, or 26 people are ranked over here. We have to find his position from the left. So from the left, he will be at this position. Before him there are 26 people. So he will be at the 27th position from the left. Clear? So our answer will be basically option number 4, 27. Now let us look at example number 6. So example number 6 says that in a row of girls, there are 16 girls between Priya and Natasha. So we don't know whether Priya is in right or Natasha is in right. So there are two possibilities, that between Priya and Natasha we have 16 over here, and between Natasha and Priya we have 16 over here. Okay, two possibilities. It is given to us that Priya is 32nd from the left end of the row. So if Priya is 32nd from the left, correct? So this will be the left, this will be the right. So 32nd from left, that means 31 people will be over here. Correct? Similarly, if Priya is 32nd from the left, this is possibility number 2. Correct? So over here we will have a total of 31 people. Now out of 31 people, we already have 16 plus 1 for n. So 31 minus 17 will give me how much? This will be 11. So this will be 4 and this will be 1. So I will have 14 people already placed over here. Now it is given to us that Priya is nearer than Natasha to the right end of the row. So towards the right, Priya is nearer. So in possibility number 1 and 2, in which possibility is Priya nearer? In this particular possibility. Over here n is nearer, over here p is nearer. So Priya is nearer than Natasha to the right end of the row. We have to find out how far away is Natasha from the left end of the row. So this is the left end of the row. Natasha is basically at the 15th position from the left, because 14, then 1 position for Natasha. So Natasha is 15th from left, therefore our answer will be option number 3, 15. Clear? Moving on to example number 7. Example number 7 says that in a row of girls facing north. So everybody is facing north. Reena is 10th to the left of Pallavi. So this will be left, this will be right. Correct? Reena is basically 10th. So 9 people are there between Reena and Pallavi. So Reena is 10th to the left of Pallavi. Pallavi is 21st from the right end. So if Pallavi is 21st, that means there are going to be 20 people in towards the right of Pallavi. Pallavi is 21st from the right. Clear? Now, it is given to us that Malini is 17th from the left end. Okay? Is 17th from the left and is also 4th to the right of Reena. So, if between Reena and Pallavi, let's say there were 9 people, right? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, between Pallavi and Reena, there are 9 people. Malini is 17th from the left hand but also 4th to the right of Reena. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Malini is over here. She is 4th to the right of Reena. 4th to the right of Reena. And she is also 17th from left. So 17th from left, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. So from here she is 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we will have how many people? 12 people. 12 positions. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17th. So here we will have 12 people. We have to find out how many total girls are there in the row. So how many girls are there? Basically 12 plus between R and P we have 9 and between P and after P we have 20. Plus we will take 2 positions in consideration for R and P. Meena is already covered in this 9, correct? So we will take 12 plus 9 in between plus 20 after and 2 places for Reena and Pallavi, correct? So what will be the sum? 22 plus 12 plus 9, correct? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1 will be carried, 2, 3 and 4. So in total there will be 43 girls. So our answer will be option number 2, 43. Clear? Now, let us look at example number 8. We are given that A, B, C, D, E each scored different marks in an examination. So scores according to the score we have to arrange. That is logical sequence. We are given that only one person scored more than C. So if there are, let's say, 5 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am taking this to be the highest scorer. This is the highest score and I am taking this to be the lowest score. Okay, so basically this is in the descending order from highest to lowest. Only one person scored more than C. So C will be over here because only one person scored more than C. Okay. E scored more than A but less than D. So E has scored more than A but less than D. Correct? But we cannot place it currently because we don't know the positions of D, E, A. How many people are there in between? It is given to us that D did not score the highest mark. So D will not be here. D did not score the highest mark. That leaves us with D, E, A being in this position. D, E, A will be in this position because D cannot be over here. So the only remaining one is B. So B will be in this position. We are given that the one who scored the second lowest scored 71%. So second lowest will be E. He scored 71%. Correct? C scored 92% marks. So C score 92% is given to us. Correct? We have to find out which of the following percentages is most likely to be B's percentage in the examination. So B's percentage will be more than C because B is the highest scorer. So B's percentage will be more than C. And C percentage is 92%. So B's percentage will be more than 92%. And in the options, only option number 4 has a percentage more than 92%, that is 97%. So B's percentage can be 97%. Clear? Moving on to example number 9. In a row of 40 boys, Satish was shifted 10th place to the right of Rohan and Keval was shifted 10th place to the left of Vilas. If Vilas was 26th from the left and there were 3 boys between Keval and Satish after shifting, what was the position of Rohan in the row? Now let us look at this question. This is a long question. So in total there are 40 boys. Satish was shifted 10 place to the right of Rohan. So Rohan is here. Okay, Rohan is here. There are 9 people between Rohan and Satish, because Satish is shifted 10 place to the right. So right will be this direction, left will be this direction. So Satish is shifted 9 place from Rohan towards the right. Correct? Satish shifted 10 place to the right of Rohan. And Keval was shifted 10 place to the left of Vilas. So if Keval, let's say, was over here, okay, he was shifted 10 place to the left of Vilas. They are all in the same line, but I am just taking two situations correctly. Vilas is given to us to be 26th from the left. So Vilas is basically, this area is 26th. So there will be some people before Keval also. Correct? There will be some people before Keval. So over here we have 11 people. Correct? We have 11 people over here. So from 26 or from 40 actually. From 40, if we reduce 26. Okay, from 40 I am reducing 26. How much will I get? This will become 3, this will become 10, this will become 4 and 14. So there will be 14 people to the right of Vilas. Correct? Because in total we have 40 boys. Out of these 40 boys, 26 boys are sitting to the left of, or 25 boys are sitting to the left of Vilas, because Vilas is at 26th position. So up till here we have how many boys? 26 boys, and in total we have 40 boys. So basically 14 boys will be sitting to the right of Vilas. Now it is given to us that basically there are 3 boys between Keval and Satish. So between Keval and Satish, we need to place these 11 people. Correct? We need to place these 11 people, and between Satish and Rohan, there are only 3 boys. So if I see over here, total is 25. So Vilas, 9 positions in between, and Keval, there are total 11. So if I subtract, I will get total 14 positions over here. So I can place 14 people over here after Keval. Correct? After Keval, I can place 14 people. So we have to, if 3 people are between Keval and Satish. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Correct? So 3 people between Keval and Satish, 1, 2, 3. Then we will have Satish. Correct? And between Satish and Rohan, there are 9 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I will have Rohan. So is this a possibility? Is this a possibility? Because over here we have 14 people. Correct? Then we have Keval. Then we have 9 people. Then we have Vilas. And then we have 14. Let us check if this comes to 40. So 14 plus 14 plus 9 plus 1 and 2. So 11. So 4 and 4. This is 39. One position is missing. So that we have to check which position is missing. This was after Vilas. Vilas was 26th. So this total should be how much? This total should be 25. So we have 9 and 10 over here. So here we'll have 14. 15. Over here we have 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So we'll have, after Rohan, we'll have one position more. Now if I look at the question, Rohan will be over here because Satish and Rohan, there are 9 positions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is my final arrangement. We have to find the position of Rohan in the row. So position of Rohan is basically from the left hand, it is second from left. Correct? It is second from left. Or I can say it is basically 39th from right. Either of the two. If I write this in short, between Satish and Rohan, there are 9 people. And after Rohan, we will have one more extra people. Okay? And between Satish and Keval, we will have 3 people. Okay? So Rohan's position will be second from left or 39th from right. So my answer will be option number 3, 39th from the right end. Clear? So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.